2-second timer. And there we are. I'm happy with that. For the setup, all I'm using is a soft grad. That's going to work better for me when I shoot the lighthouse. Got a 5-stop ND. Polarizer tuned in to get my sky really dark. Then just nice and tight. There we are. Just rejig my polarizer. There. Right, I'll flick the sky nice and dark. F11. Bring that sky down a bit. Bring some detail back. There's only a few clouds. It's not a lot. Two-second timer. And there we are. I'm happy with that. So all I'm basically doing right now is I'm using a soft grad here because I'm just doing a soft one. You got the lighthouse, you got the sky, a bit of cloud, and then you got the horizon. I'm not using a hard or a medium because it might be too harsh. It'll be easy to work with a soft. And underneath here I've got the 5-stop and then the polarizer. And if I show you, you can see what the polarizer is doing. There you go, that's just darkening the sky. The sun's just on the side of me, right on my right hand side, and there you can see what the polarizer is doing. Light, dark, and just behaving exactly how it should. So I've got it just about there. And flip that back to photo mode. Bring the ISO back down again. And then I'm on F11 and about 1/6 of a second, 1/5 of a second. Let's fine tune that a bit. 2-second timer. Nice and simple shot. There we are. Simple. Now it's a very simple composition. All I've got is just the lighthouse, and hopefully when I get a minute there'll be nobody in the shot as people are clearing out. But because they're tiny little particles, it'll be much easier for me to Photoshop them. It's not going to be difficult at all. So you can see a before and an after, and that's the shot that I want. One thing I'm doing, I'm going to go down to the side. We have got some detail on the foreground with the rocks and all that stuff going on. Not much on this side, but I think I'm not quite sure how the ground is and if I'm going to get much of the lighthouse in. It's so calm. There's no point in doing a long exposure because there's nothing going on. The clouds have already been long exposed, as Alex once said to me. So thanks for that quote, mate. I'm going to be using that one. It's quite nice. Good way to start the morning. I didn't get up for sunrise. I was just way too tired and it was cracking. I think my mate did get a really good shot, but I didn't. So I'm going to just have a quick look, see what I can get down there, and then take it from there really. So right now, as you can see right behind me, I found another composition which I quite like actually. We've got a fair bit of foreground coming into play here as well. Got the white pebbles, stones, rocks, whatever you call them, coming into play. You've got the middle bit of rocky area just here, and then you get the base of the lighthouse. Not exactly the last bit, but just the base coming up. The lighthouse striking up against the sky. A bit of cloud in the background. And it's quite nice. I quite like it. Still sticking with the 4-stop soft grad and a 5-stop ND. So I'm going to do one portrait shot, and then I think I'm going to call it a day. I might just rotate the camera here instead. There we are. It actually looks a lot nicer. Let's readjust my polarizer. There we are. And I might just zoom in a little bit. Right on the third, perfect, absolutely stunning. Let's put that back on. Make sure it's so level. Focus on the lighthouse, and bang. That is probably my favourite shot. I really like what the light's doing over here, and what the polarizer does. You can just see the effect come through so well. So if I just turn that polarizer, and you can see how it just darkens the sky and brings all that detail back. Just stunning there. So if I take it off, that's what it looks like, just a whitewash, which is obviously it's going to happen, isn't it? And then there we are. Beautiful. So there we are. No X effect, no crossing, no funny vignetting, nothing. I'm on a 70-200 on a 100mm. F14, 1.3 seconds. Stunning. So I've got my shot for the day. I'm happy with what I've got with the little lighthouse over here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to call it a day from here, because I think we need to get going. I need to get going home as well. So it's a fair bit of a drive, and my pains are starting to kick in a little bit. And I don't want to be stranded or stuck while I'm driving. I am on my own, so I'm a fair bit way out. So I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you really enjoyed that, guys. I know it's been really short and sweet, but I've kept it minimum because I wanted to show the journey more than anything else. I didn't really want to show too much about what's going on. There isn't a lot of stuff to really show around here. It's just a nice simple beach, pebbles, white, not very busy, a nice little lighthouse, and that's it. I will say that if you guys are on YouTube and you're based in the UK, please do look at considering joining the UK YouTube for photography. No, what's it called? UK. There's a group on Facebook for YouTubers in the UK, and I think it's called YouTube Facebook UK or something along those lines. I'll drop a link just here, and I'll drop a link down in the link below. Tell them that I sent you and you've joined because of me, and that'd be great. Do consider joining. It's a fantastic group, some really good people there, and some amazing vlogs without a doubt. Everyone's just doing their own style, and it's really good to learn and watch what other people are doing as well. So do consider joining. I will see you there. Like, subscribe, any comments, leave them in the section below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Until the next video, see you later.